We have been looking at water, and we've been talking about how special water's properties are, but it may shock you to know that the most important property of water, that it's a polar molecule and that it produces hydrogen bonds. Hydrogen bonds were described by a Kansan. Wendell Mitchell Latimer was born in Garnett, Kansas, and he graduated with his undergraduate degree from KU. He and his writing partner were the first to fully describe how hydrogen bonds are utilized in water. Rodebush is his writing partner, and he focused on the polarization of the water molecules. So he was looking at the fact that water has these two pairs of electrons around the oxygen, and then the hydrogen are sharing their electrons unevenly. Whereas Latimer was looking at that structure, that bent shape, and then the implications of polarization. And Latimer is actually the one who fought to include hydrogen bonding in their paper describing water's shape. He got some pushback initially about trying to include that, but he thought it was really important to describe that functionality of water in order to help further our understanding of what water's properties are. He and Rodebush had to contact Lewis for permission to use their Lewis dot structure in their paper, and he had to kind of like explain how they were expanding on Lewis's work in order for him to agree. So if you thought that science was only done by people on the coasts and nobody here in the middle of the country ever really did anything important, just think again, because hydrogen bonds were described by a Kansan.